drop contact to in our n8n workflow. So simply you need to create an account on drop contact. And you successfully create an account, go to n8n and create a workflow. Simply I go to my account and I simply refresh the page, and I simply need to create an account and simply create a credential on n8n to connect our drop contact account on n8n. So we can enrich. Here is the many tool you can see. We can also use to enrich. So let's create a credential. So we need to create a credential on the platform. Click on create a credential, and here we need to type HADAR and authorization. Click on continue, and the name will be this one. So name will be our drop contact, and the value we simply put on. I think I do some mistake. I simply need to fix it. So the name will be drop contact. We simply set up an authorization on the platform. Click on save. Let's press the API key on the platform. I think n8n has recently updated his platform. Simply save it. I simply copy the API key and I simply save it here. Now move to the next part. So simply we need to set up an authorization. So I set up an authorization, and we simply name it. I think I do a mistake. So let's see an authorization. So it will be header will be our XSS token. That is the mistake I can do. I simply copy that and go back and simply paste it. I simply save it. You can say I simply save it. Now go back and save it. Now create a workflow. No thank. So our first step will be triggered manually. Now click on a plus button, and we simply need to find a app called HTTP to enrich. HTTP request. Simply click on that. Go back and copy the API key. Not copy the API key. Go to our documentation and see what type of automation I can do that. Here you can see that there are many documentation. We simply need to read and go with one. Respond field. So let's go with first. This is for authorization, and the method will be our post. So the method will be post. Simply go to choose post and go back. So simply, and the value will be this. You can see enrich. let's see what it does. The email will repeat or @company. Import request. This will be peter.jensen@company.com. I don't know. This is for, let's read it, to get body response. Using this field for you can call contact new process and Sirin. True if the serial number NAF code, email, first name, last name. Create a subscription. This is webhook, editor, delete MCP, cloud, list.